Hello guys, today I show you how to set the Google photo that you can store your photo, your video unlimited. It's very tricky, not difficult, very easy. So you go to your Chrome or Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, yeah. So here I go to my Chrome. So you go to google.com, yeah, and enter. So you must log in your email here. Must log in your email. Add another account. Yes, sign in. For me, I sign in already. I here sign in and just click here and here. Photo here. Click on photo here. So I have many videos and one photo here. And then click on here. Oh, sorry, here. So just click here. Do not click here. Just click here. Storage server. So click here meaning you can store many videos and photo in Google Photo. So let's check. You have a photo here, right? Video, it must be nearly 1 GB because it's 6 minutes, 13 minutes, 7 minutes. But actually, when you check manage this here, Google Photo 0 GB. So that means you can manage many videos and photo. Yeah, just change only from this to this storage server. Yes, that's all. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.